Hello, if you want to find your downloads files on the Samsung Galaxy S20, for the first you have to open this menu and now click on the Samsung, click on the My Files, go to the downloads, and as you can see currently there is no files, but of course I will show you that it appears when we download something. So go to the Google Chrome, click on the No Thanks, and now we are going to the Google graph, and we will go for the Cristiano Ronaldo picture from the Juventus game. Click on it, hold, click on the download image. As you can see, it's downloading and it's finished. So now when we are going back to the files, this photo is saved on our phone. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.